Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into creating slow motion videos from normal videos on iOS using Swift. This tutorial will cover the key concepts, code examples, and best practices. I'll break it down into sections to make it easier to follow. Important note: this tutorial assumes you have basic familiarity with Swift, Xcode, and iOS development concepts like uikit and avfoundation. If you're a complete beginner, it's recommended to familiarize yourself with the basics first. Project setup, Xcode. 1. Create a new Xcode project. Open Xcode and select Create a new Xcode project. Choose App under the iOS tab and click Next. Give your project a name, example Slow Motion Video App. Select Swift as the language. Choose uikit app delegate as the interface. Click Next and choose a location to save your project. Click Create. To user interface, storyboard. Open main.storyboard. Add a UI button to allow the user to select a video from their library. Add a UI button to trigger the slow motion conversion. Add a UI activity indicator view to indicate processing, optional but good UX. Add a UI image view or AV player view controller to display the resulting slow motion video. I'll show the AV player view controller approach, which is more robust. Connect the buttons and activity indicator to your view controller as IB action, for buttons, and IB outlet, for the activity indicator. 2. Video selection, UI image picker controller. We'll use UI image picker controller to allow the user to select a video from their photos library. Explanation: UI image picker controller delegate and UI navigation controller delegate. You need to conform to these protocols to handle the results of the UI image picker controller. Select video tapped. This function is triggered when the select video button is tapped. It creates a UI image picker controller, sets its delegate, source type, to .photo library, and media types, to KUT type movie to only allow video selection. Then, it presents the picker. Image picker controller, did finish picking media with info. This delegate method is called when the user selects a video. It retrieves the video URL from the info dictionary using the UI image picker controller.info key.media URL key. It then stores the video URL in a property of your view controller. Optionally update the button text to show the selected video. Image picker controller did cancel, This delegate method is called when the user cancels the video selection. 3. Slow motion conversion, AV asset reader / AV asset writer. This is the core part of the tutorial. We'll use AV asset reader and AV asset writer to read the video frames, adjust the timing, and write them to a new video file. This is a complex process, so let's break it down. Explanation: 1. Convert video to slow motion, video URL completion. This function encapsulates the slow motion conversion logic. It takes the input video URL and a completion handler as arguments. The completion handler is used to return the URL of the slow motion video or an error. 2. Asynchronous processing. The entire conversion process is performed on a background queue using dispatch-queue.global, QoS.user-initiated, .async. This prevents the UI from blocking. The completion handler is called on the main queue using dispatch-queue.main.async to update the UI. 3. AV asset. Creates an AV asset from the input video URL. 4. Timescale reduction factor. This variable determines the slow motion factor. 0.5 means half speed, 2x slower. You can adjust this value to control the level of slow motion. 5 output URL asterisk creates a URL for the output slow motion video file in the documents directory. It also deletes any existing file with the same name to prevent errors. 6 AV asset reader asterisk an AV asset reader is used to read the video frames from the input asset. 7 AV asset track asterisk gets the video track from the asset. 8 AV asset reader track output asterisk creates an AV asset reader track output to read the video frames from the track. Reader output settings specifies the pixel format. 9 AV asset writer asterisk an AV asset writer is used to write the slow motion video to the output URL. 10 video settings asterisk defines the video settings for the output video, codec, width, height, bitrate, etc. Adjust these settings as needed. The bitrate is particularly important for video quality. 11 AV asset writer input asterisk creates an AV asset writer input to receive the video frames. Expects media data in real time should be set to false because we're not processing real-time video. 12 AV asset writer input pixel buffer adapter asterisk an AV asset writer input pixel buffer adapter is used to write pixel buffers, video frames, to the asset writer. 13 starting the reading and writing asterisk the asset writer start writing, asset reader start reading, and asset writer start session, at source time, cm time.0, methods are called to start the reading and writing process. 14 frame processing loop asterisk reader output copy next sample buffer, asterisk reads the next sample buffer, video frame, from the asset reader. Asterisk cm sample timing info, retrieves the timing information for the sample buffer. Asterisk cm time multiply by float 64, here is where the slow motion effect is achieved. The duration and presentation timestamp of each frame are multiplied by the inverse of the timescale reduction factor. This effectively stretches out the timing of the frames, creating the slow motion effect. Asterisk sample buffer create a copy with new timing, creates a copy of the sample buffer with the adjusted timing information. Asterisk pixel buffer adapter append, pixel buffer with presentation time asterisk appends the pixel buffer to the asset writer. 15 finishing the writing asterisk writer input mark as finished, signals that no more data will be written to the asset writer input. Asset writer finish writing, completion handler, finishes the writing process. The completion handler is called when the writing is complete. It checks the asset writer status to determine if the writing was successful. 16 asset reader cancel reading, asterisk cancels the asset reader. 17 play video, URL asterisk this function plays the resulting slow motion video using AV player view controller. 4. Displaying the slow motion video, AV player view controller. The play video, URL function uses AV player view controller to display the resulting slow motion video. This is a simple and effective way to play videos in iOS. V permissions, info.plist. You'll need to add the following permissions to your info.plist file to access the user's photos library. Asterisk privacy, photo library usage description asterisk add a description explaining why your app needs access to the photo library. Example, this app needs access to your photo library to select videos for slow motion conversion. 6. Error handling. The code includes basic error handling, example checking for errors when creating the asset reader and writer. You should add more robust error handling to your app to handle various potential issues, example low disk space, invalid video format, etc. Use try to handle errors gracefully and provide informative error messages to the user. Also, consider implementing retries or alternative strategies in case of temporary errors. 7. Optimization and considerations. Video quality. The video settings dictionary controls the quality of the output video. Adjust the bitrate and other settings to balance quality and file size. Higher bit rates generally result in better quality but larger files. Background processing. For long videos, consider using URL session with background tasks to perform the slow motion conversion even when the app is in the background. Progress updates. Implement a progress bar or other visual indicator to show the progress of the conversion process. This provides better user feedback, especially for long videos. You can use AV-Asset-Reader's progress property to track the progress. Memory management. Be mindful of memory usage, especially when processing large videos. Use auto-release pull blocks to release temporary objects and avoid memory leaks. Supported formats. Ensure that your code handles a variety of video formats. You might need to add support for different codecs or containers. Cancel operation. Add a way to cancel the slow motion conversion process if the user wants to stop it. 8. Complete view controller.swift. 9. Testing. Run your app on a real device. Simulators can be unreliable for video processing. Select a video from your photo library, tap the convert button, and observe the slow motion video playback. Test with different video lengths and formats to ensure compatibility. This comprehensive tutorial provides a solid foundation for creating slow motion videos from normal videos on iOS. Remember to adapt and extend the code to meet your specific requirements. Good luck.